This is the Celtic diamond decoration, and you'll need to make a tassel to complete it. So let's do a quick tassel. There are many gadgets out there that can help you make a tassel, but if you don't have one of those, here's how you can do it on your own. So I like to use my hand, and I just take the yarn and wrap it around my hand, and you can expand your fingers until you have the length you would like of your tassel. So mine's about 3.5 inches, and I'm going to wrap around about 15 times. It's 5, 6, 7, and you want it nice and snug, but it doesn't have to be super tight, and you want to keep your fingers separated like they were at the beginning so everything stays the same length. And if you want to go around more than 15 times, it'll just make for a fuller, chunkier tassel. And then you'll end at the bottom of your hand, cut that off, and then while you're at it, you want to cut a nice long length, maybe 10 inches of yarn, and you can lay that across your work surface and then gently slide the yarn off of your hand and lay it down. So you have a fold up here and a fold down here, and I'm going to lay it down maybe about a 1/2 inch from the top. You can decide. And I'm going to tie an overhand knot nice and tight as I can pull it, and I'll do another knot to secure it. And then these become part of the tassel, and I think I'd want this to be the front. And then I cut another length, 10 to 12 inches. This is going to hang my tassel. So I put that on my yarn needle, and then I'm going to put the yarn needle through this top fold here, pull it through, and even out the lengths. And then I'll do another knot for this. I want to try to get it all the way on the even top right there, like so. And like I did before, I'm going to tie another knot nice and tight. And now all that's left is I still have that bottom fold, remember when we wrapped it around our hand? So I'll pull those and cut. And it just needs a little haircut here. So they're all about the same length. And then one last thing, if you notice from when I tied that knot, this one's kind of going a weird direction from when I tied the tassel together. So I just put that on my yarn needle and I feed it down into the heart of the tassel and pull it through like so. And now it's hidden and a part of the tassel. And that's all there is to it. And then you can use this hanging part to attach it to your project. I hope this video helped you to make a quick tassel for your crochet projects. Don't forget to click to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Happy crocheting!